Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of e-commerce? Welcome to How to Create a Dropshipping Store Website. In this video, we'll equip you with all the knowledge and tools you need to build a successful online business. Let's get started. Segment 1. The Basics of Dropshipping. To start, let's dive into the basics of dropshipping. What is it, and why is it such a popular e-commerce model? Imagine running an online store without ever holding inventory. That's the magic of dropshipping. Segment 2. Market research and product selection. The key to a successful dropshipping store is finding the right products. We'll guide you through effective market research and product selection strategies. Don't worry, you'll have a winning product lineup in no time. Segment 3. Setting up your e-commerce platform. Now, it's time to set up your e-commerce platform. We'll walk you through the process of choosing the right platform, domain name, and hosting. Your online store will soon take shape. Segment 4. Building your store. Creating an attractive and user-friendly website is crucial for success. We'll show you how to design and customize your dropshipping store. No coding skills required. Segment 5. Product listings and management. Your products are ready, your website is set. Now let's list those products. We'll guide you on how to create compelling product listings and manage your inventory effectively. Segment 6. Marketing and promotion. No e-commerce business can thrive without effective marketing. Learn the ropes of online advertising, social media promotion, and building your brand. Segment 7. Customer service and order fulfillment. Customer satisfaction is paramount. Discover how to provide excellent customer service and efficiently handle order fulfillment to ensure happy customers. Segment 8. Scaling your business. Once you've got the hang of it, it's time to scale your dropshipping business. We'll explore growth strategies and the path to financial success. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and skills to create your own dropshipping store website. This is just the beginning of your e-commerce journey. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Start your dropshipping adventure today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments section below. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Good luck with your dropshipping journey.